back. I got all my cameras running now. Give you some good footage. Out the back, out the front, up this, up that. Woo! Oh, look at some of this. How's it going, buddy? Way down upon the Swanee River. Check it out. The fall foliage run. Woo! Oh, look at the river. What do we got here? What do we got here? Clark Outdoors. Shout out to Clark Outdoors. Shout out to Clark Outdoors. Oh, little bump, little bump. Speed limit, 40. Oh, look at there's the river. And the scenery on the left. I saw the red light flashing on my camera. I thought it was the police. Oh! Oh, what do we got here? A nice little view of the river. I never saw a covered bridge, did you? She'll be coming around when she comes. Hey, what's up, buddy? Speed limit, 40, 50, 60. Guess what I could go for? Another iced coffee with caramel and whole milk. Well, I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Satanic Meadows. Let me slow down a little. Speed limit's 35. Let's slow down, slow down. I can't wait to get home and give my wife a big hug, first of all. But then I want to give Dolly a big hug. She's been such a good girl. Hey, guys. We got a bunch of people right there. Woo, woo, woo. If you're up this way, guys, in the next week or whatever, hopefully I get this video out soon. Look, there's guys fly fishing in the river. Look at them all down there. Wow. This is a beautiful run. I guess I don't appreciate New England that much, being living in a like a city area. You get out and you ride on some of these back roads, it's beautiful. I gotta get the hell out of that city area. Da, 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 da. Where are we coming into? Cornwall Bridge. Hey everybody, how's it going? Yay! Well, I hope you guys could hear me. I hope that microphone's working. I won't support this gas station up here. Last time I was here, their bathroom was closed because of COVID. They wouldn't let you use their bathroom. So you know what? I ain't paying for no stinking gas there if you're not gonna let me go pee-pee. Da, 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 da. Oh, you stopped right there? You're killing me. We're clear, we're clear. I'm gonna wait for this guy, and then I am going to... Can't tell how fast people are going on this road, but I am going. Look at this. Oh, we got some scenery. We got some mountains. Look at, holy cow. Wow, look at you taking pictures of the cows. Hello, cows. Oh, nice footage. Nice footage. Love it, boy. What do we got over here? Nice. Or a motorcycle. This all in all has been a great ride so far. Kent, Connecticut. I got hours of footage. I don't know how I'm going to cut this down or edit it. Oh look, there must have been a house there. All that's left is the chimney. Going on up here. This must be like Kent Falls. Kent Falls State Park. What's up, guys? Hello. I got so much footage today. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. It's gonna take hours to download. It's gonna take hours to edit. Whoa! Later, brother. Woo! That guy was flying. That makes me feel like a slug. Holy cow. What's up, buddy? Oh, I ain't going that slow either. Look at him go. Woo. Wow. Dude is flying. that's a big person. Ah. No bull. It's Cozy's Pizza. The Fife and Drum Restaurant. That's for you, Deb. Go through this little town. Looks like there'd be some bikers hanging out down here. Alright, so this is going to wrap up my Foliage Ride 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell so you get notifications. I got a lot more stuff coming on my channel. Hopefully it's stuff everybody enjoys. I know I enjoyed doing this video. Woo. If you guys enjoyed watching it, I enjoyed making it. Let me tell you, this was an incredible ride. Definitely out longer than I was planning. I would like to say sorry to my wife if you've been waiting at home for me. I know I'm a little bit later than I thought I would be, but I love you. Alright, so I'm getting close to being home. Over here we have the Bluebird Diner and the Bluebird Service Garage, or Old Bluebird.